Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to run Ubuntu Linux just like that. That's so easy. Now you can use any command like cd, and not just that, apt-get update is working fine like a Linux terminal. And now in this video you can see that how can you access most of the Linux command line utilities application on top of Windows 10 OS using Windows subsystem for Linux. Although Windows is the mostly widely used for most popular operating system for desktop and laptops, it is not a secure and open source and Linux OS. That's why a lot of software developer and professionals prefer the Linux OS. Microsoft has started the partnership with the consumer creator of Ubuntu Linux. This favorite way for the Linux user to use Linux to Windows. Yes, you can run Linux on top of Windows 10 without need for a dual boot or using a VMware VirtualBox or installing it as your main operating system. So as you can see that I'm already using it, so now I'll tell you how you can use this kind of application. So first, to enable these, you need to go setting from here and go to system, and after go to system you will see here the about option. Okay. So first check this OS build number, because to run WSL2 you must be running Windows 10 64-bit system and version 1903 or higher with a build 18362 or higher. Or if you want to run WSL1, you will need Windows 10 64-bit system version 1709 or higher with a build 16215 or higher. It doesn't matter which version of WSL you want to run, you must enable it first to use it. To do this, start typing to the Windows feature and turn it off. Like go to first, you can go from a control panel. Here you can just click on this option, this turn on off feature. Okay, turn Windows feature on or off, and also you can type here Windows feature. See, you can go right that way. So here scroll down, scroll down, see Windows, where it is, sandbox client, no, Windows subsystem, and here Windows subsystem for Linux. It should be enabled, and then click on OK, and then you can see the restart option. So please restart your computer. After that, close it, close it. Now we recommended you to upgrade WSL2 version for faster performance speed and real Linux kernel directly on Windows 10. All you need to do is enable the virtual machine platform features. So additional Windows subsystem for Linux features on this Windows features control panel, like same, go there, Windows features, turn on off and off, scroll down, and virtual machine platform. See, I already enabled this option. You need to enable the same service. Okay, now click on OK. After that, you need to run a command from your PowerShell. So what is the command? Let's first open the PowerShell from the search option. PowerShell. Here you go. Now type dism.exe, okay, and space slash online space enable feature feature space feature colon virtual chine flat PLA T FORM space all space no restart. Okay, that's it. Hit the enter, and after that you can see it's installing. Now we will see. Okay, now it's showing the error because it's already uh, running. So after that you need to enable the WSL version 2 by default. So type WSL set default version 2. Okay, so in this command you can set the WSL 2 by default. Now after that you search here store store, and here you can type Linux from search, and as you can see also you can install Kali Linux, SUSE, and any Linux distribution like Ubuntu 18.4 stable version. And as you can see you can install anything from here. Just click here and you can use Kali, but I will show you Ubuntu. And get here, click on get and then launch, and that's it. This is so easy to use. You can do anything. If you want to see the like Ubuntu the partition like df-h, now it's create its own partition C and D drive. It's working like something mounted on this device, like that way. That means you can use any drive, and also you getting some free space. Like this is my C drive and it's available 48 GB. So that's it. You can do anything. You can test anything in your Windows computer. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.